Hello everyone, and welcome back to another product review. Today we have a portable TV. I just received this morning and I didn't open it yet. A 12-inch monitor. You can use it in the airplane, in the car, or at home. 12.1 with built-in rechargeable battery, and it's a digital TV. USB, MP4, MP3, MP4. I bought this from Banggoods. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my money because I think it's a good device. So as you can see, they have different system, including analog TV, American, standard, international, etc. And this one, I hope it's black. I bought this from Banggoods because it was the cheapest. The same device, you can find it on eBay and Aliexpress, but more expensive. And here it is. Very nice. Perfect size for my workshop. For everything, I guess. Here we have a SD card slot, HDMI in, USB, charge indicator, DC in, on off, headphone, AV out, AV in, VGA, and antenna. Here are all the buttons: volume plus and minus, channel plus and minus, menu, input, and navigation, enter, and the power switch. 12 volt, 1.5 amps, center positive, barrel, jack. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. European power supply. That's a bummer. Why not Australian? I don't need an adapter. I have thousands of these. But it's not a big deal. I can order one. They are not that expensive. AV cable and antenna, small one. This is a magnet here. Yes, it's a magnet. It's a strong one. Remote control. No batteries by the look of it, by the feel of it. And a user manual. Let's see this. Since we have a built-in battery, so it should turn on, right? Ah, it is beautiful. try the antenna. I don't think it's gonna receive any signal. No signal. I need to connect it to external antenna. Okay.
Sorry about that. Everything okay? Yep, everything's great.
So this is the TV and all the channels.
It's not there. He'll disappear.
Let's see, volume down.
Today I'm in panic mode. I'm talking epic. None of Beyonce's wet machines are working. Kind of disaster. Okay.
And here are the digital channels.
Sunshine out of the 7. Working on the stiffness of his. Some are condiments, some are more watery. So Tuesday, 8:30 p.m. They've all been ill. Francis had a particular.
So now let's try HDMI.
If I told you that no more than an hour ago.
And this is HDMI playing Xbox 360. As you can see, it works fine. Now let's try to play some videos from the USB. Let's go to movies, and we do have files. Loading. Okay, it's working. And this is full HD, by the way. Okay, this is working. That's good. And thank you for watching.